Alright, so in this class we are going to learn how to add in multiple columns within your document. So sometimes in some paper submissions, maybe in conferences or journal paper submissions, you may be required to submit your document in 2 columns, not this default one that you have in 1 column. Sometimes some papers accept submissions in 2 columns. So to format your paper within LibreOffice and make it in 2 columns, all you need is just to start by right-clicking anywhere within the document, and you can come to page style and to bring you over to this very platform. So you can see columns over here, and this is where you define how many columns you want within your document. So for example, let's say I want 2 columns. My paper that I'm submitting is 2 columns, and this is the auto width. Is going to automatically separate the width into the same format, 7.69 by 7.69. It simply divides the paper into 2, and you can easily select and say apply to this, and you'll be able to see your format subdivided into 2 columns. All right, so you can say apply, and you can say okay, and you can see right now your paper has been subdivided into 2 columns. So mostly I'm sure you have seen papers written in this format. This is the requirements maybe that is given to the authors. Okay, and if you want, you can have 3 columns as well by just right clicking, come to page format, and then this time around you can say 3 columns, and then you can be able to specify. Okay, this is the arrangement. Spacing is 0.50 cm. You can see right now auto width, which means it is going to be subdivided automatically into the same width within the same width. So you can see this 4.96 in each case. And if you have a specified width, you can uncheck this and define the width that you want, maybe at the end or at the beginning or thereabout. Once you say apply this, and you can say okay to this, and you see now our document had been formatted into 3 columns. So depending, you can have multiple columns however you want it. You can always come back and you can have 2 columns in this format with one of the columns in this size and the other ones in this size. Okay, or one of the column in this size and the other one with the lengthier one. Okay, so once you click on apply, and the document is now back to this format as the longer side of the whole thing. Okay, so this is basically how to add in multiple columns within a particular document. So in cases when you want to remove the columns and bring it back to single column like we have at the beginning of the class, you can always right click again, come back to page style, and then you can come over here, select single column, and everything is now back to default. You can see apply, and you can have your document now back in single columns. So this concludes this class about adding multiple columns within your LibreOffice Writer document. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.